We're back at my father-in-law's house. Just got done cutting up a little wood with a chainsaw. Let me show you guys this. He's getting some electrical put in. And he had to dig a trench yesterday using this thing. This one got stuck. All the way back there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How to Do It. I'm Jeremy. Thanks for stopping by. This week we're back at my father-in-law's house. We're continuing to help get rid of the ginormous piles of wood, as you can see here. Little backstory on this particular tree. My father-in-law was telling me that his father planted the tree when he was a young man, so probably 50 years ago. He had it cut down a couple of years ago. It was a silver maple tree. That's what I got in my backyard. The silver maple tree. Can for scale. That's how thick that tree was. But this is the pile we're gonna get rid of today. Finish getting rid of today, I should say. Some big logs, some little ones, but they all gotta go. This I'm not going to touch. As you can see, it has a metal star pounded through it. It was from one of these telephone poles that they had replaced. They cut down, they just left that there. And this is what went wrong. You can see I blew the chain on that steel chainsaw. So right now I'm using a bigger chainsaw. It's a Echo Timberwolf CS590. It's a little bit heavier, but definitely more powerful, you can tell. Just rips through this wood. And there we have it. We got rid of that pile. Now we're on to stacking. Let me know in the comments below. What did you like better? The stacking of the wood or the cutting of the wood? I have my suspicions.
I don't know if you can see that camera that goes back there. 10 feet. That's going bramble in there. Oh, balsam, acacia trees. Got a bush.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it this far into the video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to join me next week when I tackle my biggest transformation yet. Thanks again. I'll see you guys around.